Okay, Ava. Sing your alphabet, please.
A, B,
Yeah, I want you to do the alphabet. Mommy's... There, good girl.
B, C, D, E, F, G.
You want to keep going? What's after G? A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
A, D, I, J, K, L, M, N, B,
Good girl.
L, S, D, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Ready to get out? Okay. Good girl. Change your diaper? Okay, you got it. Thank you for singing your alphabet. What's the last part? Now I know my...
E, B,
C. Next time. All right, thank you, beautiful. Let's get out. Time to get out. Okay. All right, say bye-bye.
D, bye, bye, bye.
Bye-bye, phone.